Do you have an error preventing the t2embed library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. I recommend the automated system scan for t2embed library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the t2embed library, the TrueType Font Embedding Library. It manages the localized extraction and localized embedding of localized fonts into localized documents, PDF and DOCX, to ensure localized visual consistency across different localized machines. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. t2embed is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the t2embed library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Be aware that manual interventions for t2embed library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to t2embed library and system efficiency. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored t2embed library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support